Welcome to cTrader, the comprehensive trading platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In this video, let's take a look at an overview of the cTrader mobile platform. You can find cTrader on the Apple iOS App Store on an iPhone or iPad, or on Google Play on any Android device. You can log in with the same credentials as your cTrader web and desktop platforms. Once you are logged in, you will see the last watch list that you used. You may search for any instrument under Categories or by simply typing in a symbol's name. Tap on your account balance to see the overall performance of your account weekly, monthly, yearly, and overall time. On the left, you will find a main menu with a variety of important features, and we will explore these in other videos. The watch list that you created previously will be here as well, and you may change them easily. You may create new watch lists here, and these will also appear on your cTrader desktop version. Tap on any symbol in any watch list, and you will see everything you need for that instrument, like the order ticket, the symbol's chart, standard depth of market, any upcoming news on the economic calendar that might affect this symbol, full specifications and market hours for that symbol, and your own personal trade statistics and the leverage on that symbol. Back on the home screen, you may view your open positions, pending orders, and history. Within these lists, you may modify your risk management on open positions, the entry and risk management of pending orders, and price alerts. You may also simply drag the buy or sell onto the chart, and the platform will automatically know if you are placing a direct market order, a pending limit order, or a pending stop order. You may easily set your stop loss and take profit on the chart. No matter where you are in the platform, you may rotate your phone to the horizontal position to see a full screen chart. And like many smartphone functions, you may manipulate the chart directly on the screen. You may change charts here and search for new symbols. You may set a new date range or candle period here. Tapping on the screen will reveal the chart menu, which will give you everything you need for your technical analysis. We will go into much more detail in other videos on charting and placing orders, and you will find cTrader Mobile as one of the most flexible mobile platforms. At the bottom of your screen, you may return to the Trade page, or check out Blotter, where you will see the latest economic news affecting your favorite symbols. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and your new exciting trading journey with cTrader.